Today we'll be doing a 7-Eleven haul. Currently in Taipei, Taiwan with Liz.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth.
And Salina.
Hi.
We just got a bunch of things from 7-Eleven, so we're just gonna do a haul and tasting test. So
yes.
Let's get to it. Let's do the chips.
Wait, I gotta boil the...
First thing we got is the oyster pancake chips. I don't read any Chinese, so bless Salina because she literally did all the translation for us.
It smells so strong.
It smells like oyster pancake.
What makes up for you guys not getting it today?
Ready? Cheers, potato chip. Cheers.
Well, I like that. Well,
I like that.
That's good.
It's like subtle.
I taste it. I taste it too.
It's really
That's
subtle.
Crazy.
It's not like too overpowering.
I'm really curious how they make these, because it actually tastes like the oyster pancakes.
Yeah. Well, that's really good. Okay, so this, let's rate it out of 5. I give it a 5.
Really, 5?
Mm-hmm.
I'll give it a 4.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next, we have Yakult. So they have this in America, but they don't have the big version. They have like the mini version, which is like this size. So it was just cool to have like a whole like 8 ounces of this. Yeah, tastes like the real thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's exactly the same. It does. It is a lot better because you can drink like way more.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm just gonna drink it all.
You like it?
Yeah.
Cool. Alright, ratings.
5.
5. Solid 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
The good old Yakult.
Next we have the salted egg potato chip. So in Taiwan, salted egg is like really common. They make a lot of desserts, and so it's cool to see it in chip form because it's something that we normally don't see in the States.
Does it smell like?
It doesn't really smell like anything. How would you describe it?
I kind of smell it.
Really? I don't really smell it.
It's a little strange.
It
smells very good.
Alright, well.
I guess this is like bootleg version of Urban's.
Yeah, basically. Cheers. Cheers.
It's alright.
I taste it, but not as good as that.
Nah.
You can't really tell.
It kind of just tastes like a potato chip to me, with
Yeah,
like
it
a
does.
hint of saltiness
Very-
at the end.
Very slight hint.
Yeah.
I like it.
Ratings?
Like a 2.
I'd say a 1.
A 1?
Yeah, I wasn't really a
Okay.
fan of it. Next we have these Sakura Lays. So this is a seasonal chip. I don't know why, I've been seeing a lot of Sakura stuff.
Yeah, this
Oh,
is like everywhere.
milky Sakura, sorry. Yeah, like everywhere.
It smells so good.
It does smell really fragrant.
Wow. Oh my god, it smells amazing.
I don't know what it smells like. Kind of like milky. Alright, milky, like, I don't know.
Smell it one more time.
Like I've had this before, you know? But like I can't really,
It's so hard to describe. Only these videos could record
yeah.
scent.
It's sweet.
Let me use another one to describe it.
I want this in the chocolate.
Mm.
It'll be a lot better.
It's
I've
weird
definitely
that
had it before.
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
Where's it from? I hate when I can't put my finger on it.
I don't know, like some sort of ice cream or something.
Candy. I think some sort of candy.
No, I've definitely had this before. It's just weird.
Me too, I can't.
Selena's in the process of making this ramen that we got, but
Something else before that.
it's this. I don't know what this is. We'll probably tell you in a second, but next we have the pudding. So this is, I don't know what kind of pudding this is.
Even read this backwards.
It's like a creme brulee type of pudding.
Egg flavored.
Egg flavored with like a little bit of caramel, I guess, to it.
Back.
Ooh, oh my god. How gelatinous this is. Oh.
Did you get the bottom? What's in the bottom?
It's like the caramel sauce type of thing, but it's good. It's exactly how I imagined it. Okay,
Good.
Eggy. My childhood. My childhood.
next we have an onigiri. So this is basically just a Japanese rice ball wrapped in seaweed, and we got a kimchi pork flavor. You're supposed to open it a certain way so that the seaweed gets wrapped around the rice. You started it with 1, and it has numbers just so it's easier for you to figure out the steps. And then here's 2 and 3. So I'm gonna take the first bite. Here's what it looks like. It's a classic, you know? A classic onigiri.
Like it?
I've never had a meat onigiri.
Oh,
No,
right.
She's pescatarian, so which means that she only eats seafood and whatever else that vegetarians eat, aka vegetables. But since we're in Taiwan, she wanted to do it for the
Making an
experience.
exception.
Yep, so she made an exception and she's been eating meat, which is great because now we don't have to like accommodate to her dietary needs. It's good, right?
No, I wish there was more though.
Yeah, I wish there was more meat, but I like the, it's like
like
not
the
too
flavor.
spicy,
Yeah.
but the flavor is really good.
I
Like
like the kimchi.
I want another bite. Oh, we really finished that.
Including rice. And eggs.
Next, we have this 7-Eleven sandwich. It has teriyaki.
Rating food.
And oh my god, we totally forgot to rate it. Alright, rating.
3 out of 5?
3 out of 5?
4 out of
4 out of 5. Onigiri.
3 out
3 out
of
of
5.
5.
3 out of 5. I love how they package it too. It's just like so neat. Look at that. Ooh. It's 2.
But you can eat it as one.
Here it goes. That is good.
Really?
I think it's ready. It's good?
I like the bread. The egg is good.
Ooh,
I
really
love
good.
things like this.
That was really good.
How much was that?
50,
45.
45,
$1
$49.
or something.
Yeah, $1 something.
$1 something? That's cheap.
It's so cheap.
I would have
$1.50 or
that.
something.
I would have
like
that for lunch every day.
Yeah. Like if I had to like run out to do a quick lunch, this is what I would get. This is really good. I love the bread.
Yeah.
It's like different from,
The American one. I don't like the American
it has like a little bit of an aftertaste, but I can't really describe it. It's like Asian bread.
Is it anything similar to Hong Kong toast or
No.
The bread. I like the bread.
I feel like it tastes like, have you ever had those sandwiches in like those Chinese bakeries
Yeah.
with the egg and then
Yeah.
like,
I can.
yeah, it tastes like
Yeah.
this bread.
Yep.
So how would you give this sandwich? I'm a 5 out of 5. Solid 5 for me.
Yeah, that was 5 out of 5.
I would say 4.
So I'm a little thirsty, so we're gonna drink this milk tea. I just got this random one that we saw at the supermarket. Yeah, but overall, everything was really cheap. We spent about maybe less than $10 or so. No more than $20 for all this stuff, which in the States would probably be a
Yeah,
good,
no more than 20.
a good like $20 to $30.
At least.
I like it. I'd say it's a 4 out of 5. Nothing special.
It tastes like milk tea.
I like it.
Yeah, It's like milk tea, but it's lighter. It like doesn't have that heaviness from the milk.
There's a little more of a tea taste to it. Like you can distinguish the tea taste.
Yeah.
It's a little too sweet though for me. Which is a little less sweet.
Yeah. Salina's all about it. I give it a 4 out of 5.
3.5.
Okay. Salina?
3.
Next we have this ramen. This is the spicy oil ramen. So here's a noodle pull. Okay. For some reason I always like wrap my noodles just to get a solid bite. Yeah. Nothing special.
Okay. We were hoping for something really good.
I thought it would be spicier, but
It's not.
no. How are you feeling about it?
Nothing special, but I can see how it's different from the ramen I usually eat.
Yeah, like the oil, right? The hot oil. We also have some alcohol that we bought at duty free, and we bought 2 bottles, but we're leaving in about a day or so. So we need to finish this before we get out of here. It is. I would give it a 3 out of 5. Because we're in Taiwan, 3.5 I guess.
It's not too spicy, that's why I like it.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
It's not bad at
It
all.
just needs like a little more.
It's not bad.
I just
but
feel
it's
like it
not
needs
special.
a little bit more flavor, like pork flavor, or if it's pork, like I need that pork to be there, you know?
And I think I kind of set my expectations to taste things that are like different from the norm.
Exactly. We also have this. This is a classic, like Taiwanese drink, sparkling apple cider. Cheers. Sorry, I'm taking the chaser first. Whiskey surprisingly goes really well with the apple cider. Like the sweetness just overpowers the whiskey. So next we have the tea egg. There you go. So they surprisingly sell these at 7-Eleven, well, because we're in Taiwan. So Taiwan's really known for their tea eggs. Just basically just a tea bag soaked in water, boils over a long period of time, and then the tea eggs are soaked in there.
I think there's star anise in it too.
Oh, it's star anise.
Star
Nice? Star anise.
Star anise?
Yeah,
that's how you pronounce it?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know how to pronounce it.
Oh, okay. It gives you like a good soy sauce / tea flavor. You just can't go wrong with a tea egg. I think the ones at the 7-Eleven are actually really good.
They are really good.
Right?
Mad cheap.
It's like, and it's really
You
flavorful.
can see that it's seeped all the way in. Like a lot of times when you see tea eggs in like in the US, they're not really seeped all the way into the egg.
Not at all, yo. The color's not like this over there.
Look at all that soy sauce and tea bag soaked in. You put it in the ramen, it works really well with ramen. Go for it. I actually really like this.
I like this one more.
Well, this is a classic. Can't go wrong with this. But this, I just expected it to be more heavier, and it's surprisingly not, which I like. So it's like I don't get full off of it, you know?
The ramen tastes so much better somehow the second time eating it. It tastes so good. Am I just hungry?
No, I think it's the sauce. I mean, the soup.
The first bite we had, it was on top.
It wasn't seeped with the like.
But since the second time, it's all submerged in the soup, which kind of gives it more flavor. And I also like my ramen like softer.
That's true.
I think the soup helped it like cook it a little bit more. The last thing we have is this lemon black tea. Picked it up as a little chaser. Surprisingly not that sweet. I thought it would be sweeter.
I think it's sweet.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know. When I think lemon tea, I think of like the Vita soy box.
Yeah.
Like sweet, you know?
Pretty
but
similar to like any other lemon tea I've had.
I just thought it would be sweeter.
Yeah, it's not sweet at all.
Yeah.
What?
Really?
It's
Not
weird,
sweet.
right? I think it's so
I have a
weird.
very low sweet tolerance.
That's so weird. It's
What
not
would you
sweet
rate
at
it?
all. 4. It's not sweet at all.
Alright, I'd say like a 3.
3.
Yeah, nothing special.
Yeah.
Oh, last but not least, we have these dried sweet plums. This is like a really famous Asian snack. It just tastes super
everyone
sour.
take one.
I'm not.
Too
I'll take a
sour.
bite. It's super sour, but I don't
I'm
know.
eating it.
Alright, go for it.
Good as usual here.
Wanna share one?
Yeah, it's too sour.
There's not
Too
much skin.
outside, yeah.
It's really addicting. Trust me.
Oh, I'm not about it.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not.
Ooh! 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 It's really sour.
Because you guys wasting your phone.
Yeah, we're back.
Ew, no.
Well, I didn't really like that. That's not like my type of food, so I'm giving it a 1.
Can I give you a 0?
All right, that works.
I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 so we can get an average of at least 3.
I liked the pudding though. It's more of a dessert. We were gonna actually get some ice cream because they had really exotic ice creams, but it's just kind of too pricey.
Some of them was like 75. The ones we wanted were like 75, 80.
So the ratio from $1 US is 30 NT, which is the Taiwanese currency. Even though it's probably not that much in like American money.
Spoiled by like the low prices of everything.
Yeah, we've been spoiled, super spoiled with all the low prices. We usually get a braised pork with rice for 40 NT, so that's literally $1 and probably like some 10 cents or some change. Spending about 40 to 80 NT on just a bar of ice cream just wasn't really worth it. Just decided to get other snacks. So I hope you liked this video and all the snacks we tried. If you ever come to Taiwan, you should definitely go to 7-Eleven and have all the snacks you can possibly get because they're super cheap and they taste really good too. What was your favorite drink and favorite food?
Favorite drink, obviously.
Okay.
Favorite fruit, the tea.
For me would probably be the sandwich. I don't know why. I really really liked the sandwich. Favorite drink would probably be either the milk tea or the Yakult.
I'm gonna say the Yakult for the drink. The food, I actually really like the ramen now.
The ramen was good. The second bite was better than the first bite.
So much better.
Yeah, just because it's getting soaked into the water and what. But yeah, I hope you like this video. If you ever come to Taiwan, let us know what your favorite snacks and drinks were, and see you soon. Bye.